A century of Nobel Prize winners in physics, highlights of groundbreaking discoveries. Here's a summary of Nobel Prize winners in physics from its inception in 1901 to the latest winners. I'll provide highlights of some significant laureates and discoveries across the decades. 1901, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen for the discovery of X-rays. 1903, Antoine Henri Becquerel, Pierre Curie, and Marie Curie for work on radioactivity. 1905, Philip Leonard for work on cathode rays. 1909, Guglielmo Marconi and Carl Ferdinand Braun for the development of wireless telegraphy. 1918, Max Planck for originating quantum theory. 1919, Johannes Stark for discovering the Stark effect, splitting of spectral lines in an electric field. 1921, Albert Einstein for explaining the photoelectric effect, which was foundational for quantum mechanics. 1922, Niels Bohr for work on the structure of atoms and the development of quantum theory. 1927, Arthur H. Compton for discovering the Compton effect, scattering of X-rays by electrons. 1930, Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman for the Raman effect, scattering of light by molecules. 1938, Enrico Fermi for his work on neutron bombardment and nuclear reactions. 1944, Isidor Isaac Rabi for discovering nuclear magnetic resonance. 1945, Wolfgang Pauli for the Pauli exclusion principle, critical in quantum mechanics. 1956, William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Walter Brattain for inventing the transistor, foundational for modern electronics. 1957, Chen-Ning Yang and Tsung-Dao Lee for their theory of parity violation in weak interactions. 1965, Richard Feynman, Julian Schwinger, and Shinichiro Tominaga for work on quantum electrodynamics, QED. 1969, Murray Gell-Mann for the discovery of quarks. 1974, Anthony Hewish and Martin Ryle for pioneering work in radio astronomy, including the discovery of pulsars. 1979, Sheldon Glashow, Abdus Salam, and Steven Weinberg for unifying the electromagnetic and weak forces, electroweak theory. 1984, Carlo Rubbia and Simon van der Meer for discovering the W and Z bosons, key particles in the Standard Model. 1988, Leon M. Lederman, Melvin Schwartz, and Jack Steinberger for the neutrino beam method. 1993, Russell A. Hulse and Joseph H. Taylor, Jr. for discovering a binary pulsar, confirming Einstein's prediction of gravitational waves. 1995, Martin L. Pearl and Frederick Reines for discovering the tau lepton and the neutrino, respectively. 2001, Eric A. Cornell, Wolfgang Ketterl, and Carl E. Wieman for creating the Bose-Einstein condensate, a new state of matter. 2004, David J. Gross, H. David Politzer, and Frank Wilczek for work on asymptotic freedom in the strong nuclear force. 2017, Rainer Weiss, Barry C. Barish, and Kip S. Thorne for the first detection of gravitational waves, LIGO experiment. 2018, Donna Strickland, Gerard Moreau, and Arthur Ashkin for groundbreaking inventions in laser physics. 2022, Alain Aspect, John F. Clauser, and Anton Zeilinger for pioneering experiments in quantum entanglement, a fundamental phenomenon in quantum mechanics. 2023, Pierre Agostini, Ferenc Krauss, and Anne Lhuillier for research on attosecond physics, enabling the study of electron dynamics in matter. This list captures the progression of groundbreaking physics discoveries that have transformed our understanding of the universe. Would you like a more detailed explanation of any specific laureate or discovery?